Welcome to the world of bodyweight training, where your body is your gym and your willpower is your equipment. This essay is your guide to unlocking the incredible potential of bodyweight exercises, proving that you don't need fancy gyms or expensive equipment to achieve peak fitness. Get ready to discover the power, versatility, and effectiveness of training with nothing but your own body weight. For too long, we've been bombarded with images of glistening gyms and complicated machines, leading many to believe that fitness is an expensive and inaccessible luxury. But the truth is, the most effective gym has been with you all along. Your body is a powerful machine capable of incredible feats of strength, agility, and endurance. Bodyweight training taps into this innate potential, helping you sculpt a physique that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This is not just about achieving a certain look, it's about reclaiming your physical freedom. It's about moving with grace, power, and confidence in any situation. It's about feeling the surge of endorphins as you conquer new challenges and push your limits further than you ever thought possible. This is about unleashing the athlete within you, regardless of your age, experience, or current fitness level. So, get ready to embark on an empowering journey of self-discovery through the transformative power of bodyweight training. This essay will equip you with the knowledge, inspiration, and practical tools you need to sculpt your ideal physique, enhance your athleticism, and unlock a level of fitness you never thought possible. Your body is your gym, your willpower is your equipment, and your journey starts now. Section 2. The power of simplicity. No gym? No problem. One of the most compelling aspects of bodyweight training is its sheer simplicity. You don't need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or a personal trainer to get started. Your body is all you need. This accessibility makes bodyweight training a perfect choice for people of all walks of life, from busy professionals to students, stay-at-home parents, and frequent travelers. No matter where you are, you can always squeeze in a workout. This inherent simplicity extends to the exercises themselves. Bodyweight movements are often based on natural, functional movements that mimic how we use our bodies in everyday life. Squats, push-ups, lunges, pull-ups, and planks are all examples of compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This leads to greater overall muscle activation and calorie expenditure compared to isolated exercises performed on machines. Moreover, bodyweight training is highly adaptable to your individual needs and goals. You can easily adjust the intensity and difficulty of exercises by modifying your body position, range of motion, or tempo. For example, a beginner can start with wall push-ups and gradually progress to incline push-ups, knee push-ups, and eventually full push-ups. This inherent flexibility allows you to continually challenge yourself and avoid plateaus. This adaptability also makes bodyweight training ideal for all fitness levels. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or are a seasoned athlete, there's always a way to modify bodyweight exercises to suit your current abilities. And as you get stronger, you can continue to push your limits and discover new ways to challenge yourself. This continuous progression is key to staying motivated and achieving long-term fitness success. Section 3. Bodyweight Basics. Building a solid foundation. Every fitness journey begins with a solid foundation, and bodyweight training is no exception. Mastering a few fundamental exercises will lay the groundwork for more advanced movements and unlock a world of possibilities. These foundational exercises target major muscle groups and form the cornerstone of any effective bodyweight routine. Let's start with the squat, a fundamental movement that targets the legs, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Keeping your back straight and core engaged, lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair. Aim to get your thighs parallel to the ground before pushing back up to the starting position. Squats are a functional exercise that mimics everyday movements like sitting down and standing up. Next, we have push-ups, a classic exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest toward the ground by bending your elbows, keeping your core engaged and back straight. Push back up to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Push-ups are a versatile exercise with countless variations to challenge different muscle groups and skill levels. Finally, we have the plank, an isometric exercise that strengthens your core, shoulders, and back. Start in a push-up position, but with your forearms resting on the ground. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold this position for as long as possible, maintaining a straight back and avoiding sagging in the hips. Planks build core stability and endurance, which are crucial for performing other bodyweight exercises effectively. Section 4. Level up your fitness, progressing with bodyweight training. One of the biggest advantages of bodyweight training is its incredible versatility. As you get stronger and fitter, you can constantly adjust your workouts to keep challenging yourself and avoid plateaus. This progressive overload is crucial for continued growth and improvement, ensuring that your body never gets too comfortable. One way to increase the intensity is by manipulating your leverage. For example, moving from wall push-ups to incline push-ups, knee push-ups, and eventually full push-ups increases the load on your muscles, forcing them to work harder. Similarly, progressing from assisted squats to full squats to pistol squats, single leg squats, significantly increases the challenge and builds tremendous lower body strength. Another method is to adjust your tempo and repetitions. Slowing down the movement increases the time under tension, forcing your muscles to work harder and leading to greater hypertrophy, muscle growth. You can also increase the number of repetitions or sets to increase the overall volume of your workout. Experiment with different rep ranges such as 5, 8 reps for strength, 8, 12 reps for hypertrophy, and 15, 20 reps for endurance. Furthermore, incorporating advanced bodyweight exercises can take your training to a whole new level. Muscle-ups, handstand, push-ups, and pistol squats are just a few examples of challenging movements that require significant strength, coordination, and body control. These advanced exercises provide a constant source of motivation and push you to continually refine your technique and strive for new heights of physical excellence. Section 5. Real people, real results, inspiring success stories. The effectiveness of bodyweight training is not just theoretical, it's backed by countless real-life success stories. People from all walks of life have transformed their physiques and achieved incredible levels of fitness using nothing but their own body weight. These stories serve as powerful inspiration, proving that no matter your starting point, you can achieve remarkable results with dedication and consistency. Take, for example, the story of Hannibal for King, a former gymnast and calisthenics master known for his incredible strength and physique. Using only bodyweight exercises, Hannibal developed phenomenal upper body strength, capable of performing impressive feats like planche push-ups and one-arm pull-ups. His story is a testament to the power of dedication and the remarkable results achievable through bodyweight training. Another inspiring example is Frank Madrano, a vegan athlete who achieved a shredded physique and astounding levels of strength, using only bodyweight exercises and a plant-based diet. Frank's dedication and disciplined approach to training demonstrate that you don't need animal products to build muscle and achieve peak fitness. His story is a beacon of hope for those seeking a healthier and more compassionate lifestyle. These are just two examples among countless others. Thousands of people worldwide have transformed their bodies and lives through the power of bodyweight training. Their stories are a testament to the effectiveness and accessibility of this training method, proving that you don't need fancy gyms or expensive equipment to achieve your fitness goals. Your body is your gym, your willpower is your equipment, and your success story starts now. Section 6. The science behind the sweat. How bodyweight training transforms you. The transformative effects of bodyweight training are not just anecdotal, they're backed by solid scientific evidence. Research has consistently shown that bodyweight exercises are highly effective for building muscle, increasing strength, improving cardiovascular health, and enhancing overall fitness. One study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that a 6-week bodyweight training program led to significant improvements in upper body strength, lower body strength, and core endurance in untrained individuals. The study highlights the effectiveness of bodyweight training for improving overall fitness and building a solid foundation for further progress. Another study published in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine found that a 12-week bodyweight training program significantly improved muscular endurance, explosive power, and agility in young athletes. The study demonstrates the versatility of bodyweight training for improving athletic performance and enhancing functional movements. Moreover, bodyweight training has been shown to improve cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and improving blood flow. A study published in the Journal of Exercise Physiology found that a bodyweight circuit training program led to significant improvements in VO2, max, a measure of cardiovascular fitness in healthy adults. These findings highlight the potential of bodyweight training for improving overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Section 7. Beyond the physical, mental toughness and discipline. The benefits of bodyweight training extend far beyond the physical realm. The challenges inherent in pushing your own limits, mastering difficult exercises, and consistently showing up for your workouts cultivate mental toughness, discipline, and resilience. These qualities extend to all areas of life, empowering you to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Bodyweight training teaches you the importance of perseverance. Mastering advanced exercises like handstand push-ups or muscle-ups requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to embrace discomfort. You'll experience setbacks and plateaus, but each hurdle overcome strengthens your resolve and teaches you valuable lessons about commitment and self-belief. Furthermore, bodyweight training instills discipline. Sticking to a consistent workout routine requires planning, prioritization, and the ability to resist distractions. This self-discipline spills over into other areas of your life, improving your time management, organizational skills, and ability to stay focused on your goals. Finally, bodyweight training fosters resilience. Pushing your limits and overcoming physical challenges builds mental fortitude and equips you to handle adversity with grace and determination. You learn to embrace discomfort, push through fatigue, and bounce back from setbacks stronger than before. These qualities are invaluable in navigating the inevitable challenges of life. Section 8. A workout for everyone, adapting to your fitness level. One of the most remarkable aspects of bodyweight training is its inclusivity. Regardless of your age, experience, or current fitness level, there's always a way to modify bodyweight exercises to suit your individual needs and abilities. This adaptability makes bodyweight training a perfect choice for anyone looking to improve their fitness, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned athlete. For beginners, starting with basic exercises and focusing on proper form is crucial. Bodyweight squats, incline push-ups, wall sits, and planks are all excellent starting points. As you gain strength and confidence, you can gradually progress to more challenging variations, increasing the intensity and complexity of your workouts. Intermediate trainees can explore a wider range of exercises and start incorporating more advanced movements. Lunges, dips, pull-ups, and pike push-ups are all excellent options for pushing your limits and stimulating muscle growth. Experiment with different rep ranges, tempos, and variations to keep your workouts challenging and engaging. Advanced trainees can push the boundaries of bodyweight training by mastering highly challenging exercises like handstand push-ups, muscle-ups, and pistol squats. These movements require significant strength, coordination, and body control, providing a constant source of motivation and pushing you to continually refine your technique and strive for new heights of physical excellence. Section 9. Conclusion. Your fitness journey begins now. As we've explored in this essay, bodyweight training is a powerful and versatile approach to fitness, offering a world of possibilities for transforming your physique, enhancing your athleticism, and unlocking a level of fitness you never thought possible. Your body is your gym, your willpower is your equipment, and your journey starts now. The beauty of bodyweight training lies in its simplicity, accessibility, and effectiveness. You don't need expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment to get started. All you need is your own body weight and the determination to push your limits. Embrace the challenge, explore the countless exercise variations, and celebrate the progress you make along the way. Remember, fitness is not a destination, but a lifelong journey of self-discovery, growth, and empowerment. Bodyweight training provides you with the tools and inspiration to carve your own path, define your own success, and unleash the incredible potential that lies within you. So step outside the confines of conventional gyms, embrace the freedom of bodyweight training, and embark on a transformative fitness journey that will empower you for years to come.